The Willow and Everett stainless manual salt and pepper grinder set with a small stand is a compact kitchen accessory that's easy to recommend to viewers who like a tidy countertop and consistent grind control. The listing and reseller pages emphasize stainless construction, adjustable ceramic burrs for coarseness, and a refillable design, a great gift or home upgrade for cooks who want fresh ground seasoning but don't want electric mills. Mention in your script that this is a manual grinder set. That matters for viewers who want battery-free operation. We share by links in description box. Use and performance. These mills feel solid in the hand and typically offer an easy twist action and an adjustable grind knob so you can fine-tune from coarse to fine. In a live test segment, grind a few peppercorns and coarse sea salt to show the range and the simplicity of refilling. Customers frequently appreciate the clean design and the included stand that organizes storage and keeps counters tidy. If you film a kitchen demo, show before-after seasoning and call out the ease of cleaning and refilling. Customer feedback, pros and cons. Reviews usually praise the price-quality ratio and consistent grind. Pros include refillability, adjustable grind and stainless look. Cons that pop up in some reviews include ceramic burr wear over a lengthy period if used heavily, and occasional reports of inconsistent grind at the coarsest setting. For typical household use, this is a practical, attractive set. It's a good kitchen upgrade recommendation for affordable gift lists and home cooks. We share by links in description box.